Rain falling softly outside. The city never really sleeps. Streetlights blur through window glass, watching old reflections pass. Coffee growing cold again while I replay where we've been. Quiet jazz and neon signs lost somewhere between the lines. Everybody moves so fast, but I still live inside the past. In the midnight Rain Café, just drift away. City lights and faded dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. And though the night feels cold sometimes, there's comfort in these quiet skies. So I stay in the midnight Rain Café. Train still humming far away. Another sleepless night to face. But somehow in the falling rain, the loneliness feels less painful again. Rain against the window pane. One more cup before the morning comes.